Testing your computer using vray benchmark. Vray created a very useful tool that tests computer rendering power. Whether you want to test your current computer or a new one, or you want to compare between two or more computers, then the vray benchmark will come handy. Vray benchmark is a small program that you can get for free from the vray website. Then you run it on your computer. It will render two shots, one using the processor and the other using the graphic card. By the end of that test, the benchmark will tell you the exact time it took to render those scenes, so you can compare it with other computers. Let's see how it works. First, you go to this website www.chaosgroup.com/vray/benchmark. Then you scroll down and press Download Benchmark. Then the site will ask you to sign in. If you are not already a member, you can register for free. Press Sign In and choose to download for Windows. And let it download. It's about 147 megas. After downloading the program, we will have to double-click to open it. Press Agree and let it load. When it finishes loading, then that's what we will see. A test for CPU here and a test for GPU here. Mark both and press Start and wait for the render. The first test counts the time needed for the CPU to finish this rendering task, and if you looked at the task manager, you will see it has taken the full power of the processor, just like rendering any vray shot. It will continue rendering until it finishes the shot. And the time here will be your CPU benchmark. My CPU benchmark is 1 minute and 56 seconds. Then it automatically loads another scene to test your graphic card. Testing graphic card is a bit different, as you will see the full render almost immediately. Then it continue improving till we have the final quality. And here will be your GPU benchmark. My GPU benchmark for the GTX 1060 is 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Now here is the benchmark of my computer with these specs: Xeon processor, NVIDIA graphic card and Windows 10. If you press View Statistics, you can see the world's top specs in both CPU and GPU renderings. Here you can see the top rank at CPU was at 13.782 seconds with an Intel Xeon Platinum processor. If you click here, you will see the top rank of GPU renders with Intel Core i7 processor and 4 Quadro GP100 graphic cards made at 14 seconds 0.359. So that's all about vray benchmark. Download it and test your computer. And if you like, you can post a screenshot of your results on the Udemy discussion of this course.